Hi, welcome to my channel, Reverse Psychology, 13 lessons on how to use rejection to your favor. Rejection is a mirror, not a verdict. Most people fear rejection because they believe it defines their worth. A message left unanswered, a door closed, an opportunity lost. And suddenly, they begin questioning themselves. But Marcus Aurelius taught something powerful. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Rejection is not proof that you are not enough. It is simply information. It is feedback from the world, not a final judgment of your value. The Stoic man understands this. He does not collapse when someone walks away. He remains grounded in his own character. Like a sculpted marble statue standing firm through a storm, he keeps his grace, even when life says no. The moment you stop seeing rejection as an attack, you begin seeing it as a lesson. And lessons are always more valuable than approval. The reverse psychology of detachment. The more desperately you seek acceptance, the more power you give away. People can feel neediness. They can sense when your happiness depends on their response. This is why Stoicism teaches healthy detachment. Detachment does not mean you stop caring. It means your peace no longer depends on the outcome. When someone ignores you, do not chase. When someone rejects you, do not beg. When someone doubts you, do not explain endlessly. Simply continue your path. Ironically, when you stop needing validation, you become more attractive, more grounded, more powerful. The Stoic man walks with quiet confidence and sculpted grace because he knows his value is not determined by another person's opinion. Let silence become your strength. Many people react immediately to rejection. They argue, they complain, they seek answers. But silence turns pain into fuel. Most men try to escape rejection. The Stoic man studies it. Every rejection carries a hidden gift. It exposes weaknesses, reveals blind spots, and forces growth. The pain you feel is not your enemy. It is a signal pointing toward a stronger version of yourself. When life closes a door, do not stand there staring at it forever. Move. Build. Improve. Train your mind. Strengthen your body. Develop your skills. Create a life so meaningful that your focus shifts from what you lost to what you are becoming. The reverse psychology is simple. The moment rejection stops breaking you, it starts building you. Like a sculpted marble warrior shaped by countless strikes of the chisel, your character is formed through pressure. Without resistance, there is no strength. Without challenges, there is no growth. Use rejection as fuel and watch your life move forward while others remain stuck in disappointment for disappointment. Your value is not up for negotiation. One of the greatest Stoic lessons is understanding that your worth comes from your character, not from other people's approval. Many men spend years trying to convince others to see their value. But true confidence does not beg to be recognized. It is quietly known. A person may reject you because of timing, preferences, circumstances, or reasons that have nothing to do with your true worth. The Stoic understands this reality. He does not chase people who fail to appreciate him. Let them lose access to you. One of the most powerful forms of reverse psychology is not revenge. It is absence. Many people believe they must fight for attention after being rejected. They chase, explain, and try harder to be noticed. The Stoic man chooses a different path. He steps back, not out of anger, not out of pride, but out of self-respect. If someone chooses not to value your presence, do not force your way into their life. Instead, invest that energy into becoming wiser, stronger, and more disciplined. People often realize the value of something only after it is gone. But whether they return or not is no longer your concern. Your focus is your growth. Your mission is your character. Walk away with silent strength and sculpted grace, knowing that your peace is worth more than anyone's temporary approval. Build a life bigger than rejection. Rejection hurts most when it becomes the center of your world. The Stoics taught that purpose protects the mind. A man with a mission does not have time to obsess over every disappointment. He has goals to pursue, skills to develop, dreams to build. Every day spent thinking about rejection is a day stolen from your future. Instead of asking, "Why did this happen to me?" ask, "What can I build because of this?" That simple shift changes everything. The reverse psychology is powerful. The less your life revolves around one person, one opportunity, or one outcome, the stronger you become. When your purpose grows long,
stop trying to change their mind. One of the hardest lessons in life is accepting that not everyone will understand you. Some people will reject you no matter how kind, talented, or genuine you are. The Stoic man does not waste energy trying to control what belongs to others. Their opinions are theirs. Their choices are theirs. Their judgments are theirs. Your responsibility is your own character. The moment you stop trying to convince everyone to like you, a strange freedom appears. You become calmer, stronger, more focused. You stop performing and start living. Marcus Aurelius reminded himself daily that he could control his actions, but never the thoughts of others. Accept this truth, and rejection loses much of its power, because you no longer fight battles that were never yours to win. Become the prize through discipline. Many people respond to rejection by seeking more attention. The Stoic responds by seeking more growth. Every hour spent chasing validation is an hour that could be invested in self-improvement. Read more, train harder, think deeper, speak less. Build habits that make your future self proud. The reverse psychology is simple. When you stop chasing approval and start building excellence, people naturally notice the difference. But by then, attention is no longer your goal. Growth is. Like a sculpted warrior carved from stone, every disciplined action shapes your character. The strongest men are not created by comfort. They are created by daily discipline. And discipline transforms rejection into a powerful advantage.
use rejection as a test of character. Anyone can remain calm when life goes their way. The true test comes when things fall apart. Rejection reveals who you really are. Do you become bitter? Do you become desperate? Or do you remain composed and dignified? The Stoics believed that every challenge was an opportunity to practice virtue, patience, courage, wisdom, self-control. These qualities are easy to talk about, but difficult to live. Rejection gives you the chance to practice them all. Each time you respond with calm instead of anger, you become stronger. Each time you choose growth instead of resentment, you become wiser. Every setback becomes a training ground for greatness, and little by little, your character becomes unshakable. The final Stoic secret. Here is the truth most people never discover. The greatest benefit of rejection is not that it may bring someone back. It is that it brings you back to yourself, back to your purpose, back to your discipline, back to the person you are capable of becoming. The Stoic man understands that life is not about collecting approval. It is about building character. The world may reject your ideas. People may ignore your efforts. Opportunities may disappear. Yet none of these things can take away your ability to choose your response. That choice is your